In today's digital age, viral videos have become a powerful tool for content creators to gain exposure and generate income. But what exactly makes a video go viral? And how can you turn that viral success into financial gain? First and foremost, it's important to understand your target audience. What kind of content do they enjoy? What are their interests and preferences? By creating videos that resonate with your audience, you increase the chances of them being shared and going viral. Next, focus on creating high-quality and engaging content. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-resolution camera and professional editing software. Ensure that your videos are visually appealing and well-edited to capture the attention of viewers. Another key factor in creating viral videos is storytelling. Craft a compelling narrative that captivates your audience from the beginning to the end. Use techniques like suspense, humor, or emotional appeal to keep viewers hooked and encourage them to share your video with others. Additionally, leverage social media platforms to promote your videos. Share them on popular platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to share your content with their friends and followers. Now let's talk about monetizing your viral videos. One of the most common ways to make money from viral videos is through advertising. Platforms like YouTube offer monetization options, allowing you to earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your earning potential. Another avenue for monetization is brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your videos gain popularity, brands may approach you to collaborate on sponsored content. This can include product placements, endorsements, or sponsored videos. Make sure to choose partnerships that align with your brand and values. Lastly, consider creating merchandise or digital products related to your videos. This can include t-shirts, mugs, or even online courses or ebooks. By offering these products to your audience, you can generate additional income and further capitalize on your viral success. In conclusion, creating viral videos and making money from them requires a combination of understanding your audience, creating high-quality content, storytelling, leveraging social media, and exploring monetization options. With dedication, creativity, and a bit of luck, you can turn your viral videos into a profitable venture. So go out there, create amazing content, and watch your videos go viral while you make money.